Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add links or hyperlinks in PowerPoint using clickable buttons. This is a fantastic skill for creating interactive presentations, especially when you want your audience to access additional resources online like websites, other presentations, or even online videos. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're using the latest version or a slightly older one. The steps are very similar. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation where you want to add hyperlinks. This could be a file saved locally on your computer or one stored on a cloud service. With your presentation open, head to the Insert tab on the top menu. This tab is your hub for adding all sorts of elements to your slides, from pictures and videos to illustrations and, of course, links. Click on Insert and then select Shapes. This will allow you to add a shape to your slide that can act as a clickable button. A drop-down menu will appear showing various shapes, from squares and circles to arrows and stars. For our purposes, choose a video action button, typically found at the bottom of the shapes list. Draw the button onto your slide and position it wherever you like, perhaps near text that indicates its function, such as "click here for more information." Next, it's time to link this button to your desired destination. Right-click on the shape and, from the menu, select Hyperlink to. Hover over it and a set of options will appear. Since we want users to go to a web page, choose the URL option. A box will pop up asking for the URL. Carefully type or paste the link you want the button to navigate to and then click OK. Sometimes you may need to confirm these settings on a second panel, so hit OK again to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully created a clickable button that links directly to a URL in your PowerPoint presentation. This small addition makes your slides more interactive and helps your audience engage directly with your content beyond the presentation itself. Keep practicing this method, and soon adding hyperlinks will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials to make your presentations more engaging.